What's up, guys? It is Anna Pashanta. If you received a link to this article that this video is in, it is because you are a friend of mine or you are somehow connected with a connector project. We wanted to give you a really quick video about how to make a profile with the minimum amount of steps. First, I'm going to tell you the top 4 reasons to join Connector right now. It only takes about 5 minutes. Top reason is to participate in freedom technology projects. You say you love freedom, but are you on Connector app yet? This was made by voluntarists so that we can find each other based on searchable keywords called affinities. In our case, it would be voluntarism or libertarianism or anarchy or entrepreneurship or investing, etc., etc. And it all takes place on a map so that you can get real things done with real people in the real world. Number 2, to participate in our promotional opportunities that are sent to you in notifications within Connector app. The number 3 is so that you can be eligible for the revenue sharing pools that come out of the money that will come in from advertisers. Once we have enough people on the Connector app, advertisers will show up on the map itself, never in your feed, and not according to algorithms, actually according to the affinities that you turn on or off. You are in complete control of the advertisers. Once they start paying to get on the map, a percentage of all the money that comes in gets sent right back to our active profiles. So you want to create your free 3 profiles today. Number 4, you want to take advantage of intentional networking. So like I said, it takes place on a map and it is based on searchable keywords called affinities. And affinities are your goals, your hobbies, and your values that you want to create your intentional networks with. Because if you are the average of the top 5 people that you spend the most time with, shouldn't that group be curated intentionally? Or do you want life to just be whatever happens? Let's go through it. So you're going to come here to connector.app in your browser. That's https://connector.app in your favorite browser. Not yet available on the app stores, and the reason is that app stores are gatekeepers against freedom tech. So we wanted to start right here. When we do create an app, it will just be a launcher that looks like an app, and it will take you exactly to this same setup. So let's get together with our creation of profiles. You're going to open up the profile panel that you see open on the left side of my screen. And to get here, you're going to press this pulsating profile button at the very top. And then you're going to fill in whatever email address you want to use. You might make one up specifically for Connector to maintain the ultimate privacy. Make up a email address, throw it in here, repeat your password, and then sign up. And it is going to open up your profile panel. And so we are going to choose the top one here. For now, there's just personal profiles, but soon there will be profiles specifically for dating and also profiles specifically for professional. These will be like keyword searchable resumes that you can put anywhere you want on the globe, depending on where you want to seek employment or investment opportunities. Also, there will be functionality for events. That's events that you want to put on, but also events that you want to attend. And then you will receive notifications for upcoming events in the notification panel. And I'll show you how that works in future videos. But for now, we're just trying to make a quick profile, and you probably want to max out and make all 3 of your personal profiles. Your one profile could be for business-ish interests, and your number 2 profile here could be about your hobbies that you want to meet friends and connect based around those hobbies. And the third one might be for something like, let's say a niche interest that you have. Like you could create this one that's specifically for meeting people that are into meditation, let's say, and that would be specifically what this profile is for. So let's get into it. Number 1 profile, select the name, and it's going to open up that profile in edit mode. And so I'm just going to put in Annam test number 7. That's going to be my name. All we need to create a profile is a name, an affinity, and I'm going to put in, I'm going to put in voluntarism because that is the type of person I want to meet and I want to spend time with. So there you go. And I'm going to press enter. And there it is. When you see the gray option below it, select it. And then the next thing that we need is a location, and it can be anywhere. You can place your location wherever you want. I'm going to choose static location, and then I'm going to open up the map and place my profile right here in the Salt Hill area of Galway and press continue. And then save changes. Always save changes to your profile when you make them. Matter of fact, I'm going to do a step 4. This is not necessary, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to go ahead and put in a profile picture. That one looks great right there. There we go. Now I'm going to save changes. What's really cool about Connector is that anytime you press anybody's profile picture like this, like let's say I'm in some other part of the world. Let's say I go over here. And now if I open up my profile and I use just the profile picture here, it's going to center the map on that profile. In this case, it's my profile. And so let's have a look real quick at the notifications panel. And it looks like this. This is where you're going to see all of your likes, comments, subscribes, reposts for your blog articles that you write. Here is where you are going to see messages from Connector. These are tips and tricks on how to use Connector to the fullest. Here are new users that you will have something in common with. And then concerts and events. These are related to your affinities. So if you put in voluntarism, as I did, you're going to see all kinds of events right here and on the map related to your chosen affinities. And then, of course, these are where your subscriptions to your favorite blogs will take place right here. You're automatically subscribed to all contacts. You're also automatically subscribed to all users. And then also you're subscribed to Connector app so that you can see articles written by the Connector app company. And so that's a brief overview. I'm going to cut it short right here. I'm going to stuff this in an article in the Connector app profile so that it can be easily shared and that people will not feel intimidated about making brand new profiles on Connector app. It takes 5 minutes. It's going to have a lot of benefits. Take participation in freedom tech projects like Connector app. Love you guys. We're creating this for you. Let's build an amazing intentional community here on connector.app in your browser. See you soon.